I've been thinking that I'm going to start doing, if possible, some sort of daily content. Maybe more a vlog, but not a vlog. So it's going to be like a vlog, but not a vlog, because I can't really show pretty much my entire day because of the contracts I signed with clients. So yeah, there's going to be very big chunks of the day missing. And what I want to do is just cover a bit of the day off and cover off some topics, some points that I really want to get across to you, some things that I think will be really useful to you in the long run. But I really need to go and get ready now. Making content each day is going to be really challenging, really difficult. I'm not sure if it's even going to be possible for me to make videos every single day that actually deliver value, but like Gary Vaynerchuk always says, document, don't create. So this is part of me now documenting my journey. And what I want to document is my business. I've got aspirations of having my own consultancy. Well, I do have my own consultancy, but it's currently just me working for that consultancy. It does a mixture of commercial, procurement, supply chain, content creation. It does conferences and various other services. That's quite a lot. And I'm kind of hedging my bets at present, because what I really want to do is the content creation. I want to make videos, photography. I want to make content for big multinational or even smaller companies in the defense, science, research and technology sectors, because that's the sector I focus on. That's where I put all my efforts, and they're so far behind the curve. I think I could make a massive impact there. But my day job is more of that commercial procurement stuff, and I earn a very good living from doing that. So it is very much hedging my bets, and I'm keen to see where this is going to go. But anyway, I need to get in the car, do some driving, and I'll talk to you tonight. So, making daily content is going to be a massive undertaking. It's going to require a lot of effort, a lot of planning, which is typically what I'm horrendous at with my videos. But maybe we'll be able to make something work. So I think documenting the journey in terms of what I want to do for my business going forward, building my studio, moving into a new house, packing up this house, doing a few bits like that could be kind of interesting for a bunch of you. We'll be able to cover off a lot of good stuff in this time as well. So I think it's going to be beneficial to all of us. And I've already realised after being in the office all day at the client that I'm working with at the moment that I just didn't record anywhere near enough footage this morning. So I'm going to have to condense a lot of video making into the morning and into the evening. I've got to go to the vets in like, I don't know, 25 minutes with the dog for her eye. I've got to potentially try and go for a run. I'm not sure I'm going to fit that in. I've got to do some work this evening. I've got to do some video editing. So there's a lot to do. So yeah, we're gonna be busy doing this content. I haven't seen the dog all day. She's got a really poorly eye. She keeps cutting it, or I say cutting, she keeps hitting it on things, and it's just meaning that we need to go to the vet's lots to do lots of drops, all sorts of special stuff like that. But yeah, it should be a good challenge doing a sort of a daily vlog going forward. Lounge lights on. It's just a little bit too dark in here. Alexa, lounge lights 100%. Gotta love Alexa, gotta love the voice-only devices. Healthy dinners, they're essential. I think maybe a daily video. It's not gonna really be a vlog. It's gonna be sort of me just covering off a few topics. But it's going to be me challenging myself to record kind of wherever I am on whatever device I've got in as much details. I just wanted to show you this. It's going to be in my everyday carry video. It's a space pen. It's made in the USA. It's a pen that they use at NASA. The astronauts use it. I mean, I know they could just use a pencil, but hey, it's cool because it's got like some nitrogen filled cartridge. I'll go into that in more detail another time, but it's just like things like this I can share on the fly a little bit more. So yeah, hopefully you find it interesting. It's obviously a lot different to the standard sort of beard care, beard tips videos that you kind of got to know me by, but that's only a really small portion of my life. And if I'm going to do this for the long term, I need to do a lot more with this channel other than just beard care and things like that, because I won't do it for too long. I've got like an eye twitch. This eye has been twitching for like 6 days, and I work under some horrendous fluorescent lights all day. So this is why I'm really keen to get a home office and really start working from home as much as possible if I can, if I find some clients that are willing to not have me on site. Oh, it'd be a dream come true. Yeah, it'd be awesome. So guys, we'll probably check in again tomorrow. We'll talk some stuff. I've got quite a few topics I want to cover in these videos. We're just going to plow through them. We'll do it for a month or two, see how it goes, and we'll just go from there. I really want to challenge myself with the recording, try and get some nice B-roll, get some nice shots. I might struggle to get that today because, I mean, I'm just eating some sausages. Goodbye.